Right now we're about to show you our big snowstorm that is in April the 14th in 2018. The midday of April, and if you look outside, it's a blizzard.
It's not considered a blizzard.
It's a blizzard in my eyes. There's snow in every direction falling.
This is this, I mean, literally, did you see when Michael shoveled here?
Yeah.
You can't even see it besides the shovel. Hey, babe, go potty. Go potty, boy. Go potty. I want to see if he'll get stuck in there.
Where's the cat?
He's getting covered.
So come down like this.
He's got a white coat.
I kind of want to put Bugsy.
Look at him.
See what Bugsy's gonna do. Go potty. Go.
Bugsy will die.
I want to
There goes
throw
a bird.
Beam in there.
It's nuts.
Okay.
I like it though.
I kind of want to throw him in there.
Let's go show the backyard.
Oh, there's Simba.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Put him out there. I want to see him experience the snow and the cold. Like, plop him in. Hugs. Hugs. Plop. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel wet. He's walking away. Oh, Beam. Yes, so this is our front yard. You can't see a driveway. There's two driveways, but you can't see either one.
I wonder if I can plop him up all the way over there. I wonder what he's gonna do.
You can try. Animal cruelty.
It's not animal cruelty. It's him experiencing the blizzard.
Hey, do you not like it very much? No? Oh. Never mind. He's a sick kitty. Leave him alone.
We still got the backyard.
Yeah. Well, you're not plopping him out there, are you?
I don't know.
We'll see.
He's
Okay.
really being mommy right now.
We just had lunch. Kids are cleaning. Bye, Sophia.
I'm playing.
Having big mommy love right now.
Do you see the cat, dude?
Ta-da. So it doesn't look that bad, but then you start looking over there and you're like,
Yeah. The cat hates cold.
the pool house is all snowed in.
Kids.
You can't see the pool besides the diving board and the... Hi, David.
Come here.
Oh, wait a second. We're showing the snowstorm.
Yeah.
Boom. Let's see. He left some imprints. That's a seat.
It's deep.
You guys can tell how deep it is. His buttocks is right there. And if you guys see, there's these two tables that I want to come out and measure the actual amount of accumulation of snow that we got. And I want to do two tables to make sure it's the same length.
There's a grasshopper in here.
All right. So yeah, this is our April 14th, 2018 snowstorm. Oh my gosh. How did we get a grasshopper inside the house?
I don't know.
Kill it.
I don't know what to kill it.
Hey, babe.
But there's only one way to kill it. Smash it!
See, look at
Then
that.
I smashed it. Oh yeah. It's heat. It's so cold out. It's literally not a good day.
It's a great day.
No, it's not.
Hey, I like the snow.
Me. Looking for spring.
Me too. I want spring.
Mom.
And snow is taking over spring.
Mom, you're looking for spring.
Where are you at?
Where? Where?
Where is spring?
It'll be
Like-
here.
Watch. The seasons are gonna
This
be
is
like
Minnesota. Come on, guys.
the seasons are gonna be messed up.
And guys,
Like,
I
there
saw
will be barely any summer or spring.
I
this year.
saw
No,
five
it's like
bunnies.
this every year.
No,
I don't know why you guys
it's
complain.
Every time when I go on the bus, I see five bunnies.
5 bunnies.
Yep.
Don't even go there, Vanessa.
It's like that every year.
It is. It is.
And I got cats
All
all
right.
over me.
See you later.
Yep. Bye. See you later.